When it comes to foldable, Samsung has long been one of the best one. We don't just rate the Z Fold 4 as an excellent folding phone, it's one of the best smartphones on sale right now. But there's always something newer and better in the pipeline, so it's time to look at its imminent successor, the Galaxy Z Fold 5. The next generation flagship foldable is still months away from making its debut, but that does not mean there aren't plenty of rumors doing the round on what to expect. In this video, I'm going to tell you everything we know so far about the Galaxy Z Fold 5. Now, as we know that folding phones are the new high-end devices and are one area where Samsung has the lead over its competitor. A Z Fold 5 is all but certain and should make its final official appearance later this year. It's still a little while before the new Fold is due to arrive, but we have seen a few rumors emerging about what Samsung plans to introduce in the update. First of all, we look at the design. Reliable on leaks in collaboration with Smart Pricks shows a design that's closely matched for the previous generation. The camera island looks to protrude from the phone a little more and the flash has been moved from the bottom to the side. But otherwise the general design is pretty similar. We can see a similar shape in our first look at a possible protective case for the phone shared by Ice Universe. Ice has also claimed that the Z Fold 5 will once again features IPX8 water resistance, the same rating as the Fold 4. That means a high level of waterproofing, but no official protection from dust. One big design question is whether this might be the year that we finally see Samsung adding the S Pen stylus inside the form of a dedicated slot, but there's no sign of the S Pen slot in the leaks. And both the OnLeaks renders and the Korean Tech News report the S Pen slot is not coming in the phone. Samsung R&D working on it, but ultimately space constraint apparently won out. So you will still have to hold your S Pen yourself. That perhaps because Samsung prioritized keeping the phone slim. Either way, it makes the phone about the same overall size as the Z Fold 4, but definitely thinner when closed. Backing up the claim from both Korean side and the Ice Universe that Samsung is moving to a water drop style hinge design that will finally allow the foldable to close fully shut. Speaking of the display, with the phone has a similar size than the previous generation and it will be coming with 6.2 inch and 7.6 inch of screen size as shared by Ice Universe. In a large list of leaked specs, iGalaxy reports that the display will be having a 120Hz refresh rate, which is already expected, but he also adds that they will be brighter than before and that the outer display will also be protected by Gorilla Glass Victor's True Protection coating. The phone will ship using the same custom variant of the Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 chipset found in the Galaxy S23 lineup, meaning it won't be using the upgraded 8 Plus Gen 2 unlike the last year which uses the 8 Plus Gen 1. We have already seen what apparently a Fold 5 pop-up Geekbench using the Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 for Galaxies. So it seems pretty likely at this point that the phone is also expected to stick with a triple rear camera array in the Fold 5, which is according to Yogesh Bar will be having a 50 megapixel sensor, a 12 megapixel of ultra wide and a 10 megapixel of telephoto lens, and those are the same specs as the Fold 4. It's possible that Samsung has some software optimization tweaks in store. The Alec does at least state that the selfie camera has been upgraded to 12 megapixel from 10 megapixel in Fold 4. Finally, battery and charging. We haven't actually heard anything yet about the battery capacity of the Fold 5, but its listing on the Chinese 3C certification site seems to reveal that it's sticking with the fairly slow 25-watt charging speed. There is no charger coming in the box as well. Overall, there is plenty of improvement is required for the Galaxy Z Fold 5 and still there is some time for its launch. So we hope that Samsung is going to be fixing bugs and errors that are coming in the Fold 5. Anyway guys, that is it in this particular video. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. What are your opinion on the Galaxy Z Fold 5 overall leaks and rumors, and what are your expectations from Fold 5? Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. Be sure to subscribe. Thanks for watching. Peace.